Here I am building a heavy lift. It's designed to have 4 U11s on it. This is like a prototype. I built it out of aluminium at the moment because I was having a lot of difficulty getting a box section in carbon fibre. I had the round section, but this looked a lot stronger than the round section. I'm going to be using this box in the centre, the autopilot, which is the cube in the centre. It's inside, it's dual GPS, and they're under the hood. Then you're going to have air ports so the barometer can read. Basically the chassis is the negative, and I'm going to have a positive ring which might be underneath. The 80 amp flames, I've put them on aluminium so that we're on thermal conductor paste so they can dissipate their heat. I was going to use carbon fibre plates, but I'm going to see how much heat they put out into this alley, and they're going to go underneath, and I think they're IP56 or something like that they are, so they're supposed to be resistant to water or rain, but I am going to relocate them, and these are just temporary, just to get the motors spinning in the right directions. Once I've got the motor spinning in the right directions, I'm going to use these adapters, triples, gold plated, push together, go on the end of the wires, and these wires from these U11s, they fit exactly. But like I say, it's dual GPS. I'll be able to keep them under this hood. This hood just lifts off, then the inside just lifts off as well. I can just lift, obviously it's still in prototype mode. So basically the GPSs are going to be fixed onto the lid, and the lid then lifts off, and you've got your Pixel 2 inside. I'll just put the gear inside it just to you know, to test everything out to make sure it's all going to fit. And then basically what's going to happen then is I've got antenna extensions here. These are about 600 mil long, so they'll be coming out of the chassis at 45 degrees away from each other. And then underneath you've got 2 shelves for the 22,000 tattoos. There's 2 of them going to fit underneath. But like I say, this is designed now for 8 motors. I've got the plate on the bottom for the other 4. But first of all, I'll get it started with just this many, and then once we've got it, because the main thing is I want this to fly in the rain. Simple as that. It's got to fly in the rain, so I don't care what the weather's doing. I want this thing to be able to fly in it, because I'm living in Wales and it rains a lot. So if this is going to be a commercial vehicle, it's got to be able to fly in most weathers. And I think with the power, I've got 29-inch props for the bottom and 28-inch props for the top. I think this much power now, and this Pixel 2 with dual GPS, I think there's something like 5 barometers. There's lots and lots of redundancy in it. Yeah, 2 power inputs. It's a nice bit of kit, and I'll put a USB cable coming out of it, and I might have the battery pack with some extension leads. So let's give it a go.